Okay, I'm going to show you how to pre-set up your iTunes account before you do the jailbreak and back up or update your device. So, you'll set it right down about in here. Open up your iTunes account. Over in the upper left, you'll select Edit, then Preferences. Then you'll want to make sure that this right here that says check for new software updates automatically, make sure that's not selected. Come over to your device and prevent iPods, iPhones, and iPads from syncing automatically. Make sure that that is selected, then click OK. And that's about the gist of setting up your settings. Now you'll take your phone and connect it to your PC, and voila. Actually, what I'll go through and do is, before we do that, a little pop-up window, we'll close that down. And I'm going to move the phone over here for a second. Put up this for security real quick. Okay. Now, once your phone is connected, if it's already on anything here that says software version 6.0, 6.01, 6.02, 6.1, or 6.11, or 6.1.2, you can use this tool. So, all that you'll do is over here, you'll want to right click and select backup. And then it'll back up your device either to iCloud or your computer, depending on how you have it set. And then once your device is backed up, you close out of iTunes. And then in your email, and then you'll open up your email that you've received from me, and as you notice, it states in the email that iOS6 Untethered JailBreak, if your device is already running on iOS 6.0 through 6.1.2, then you do not need to update your device. Now, we'll view the link. Then you will want to watch the YouTube video before doing anything, but we'll just open up the link because this is the video you'll be watching. So you open up the link, and there you go. You'll be on either whichever operating system you're running, whether Linux, Mac, or Windows. We're running Windows, so we will do that. Now you'll be prompted to click here to download your attachment. Oh. Now down at the bottom, it will show your download, and it's completed. So you can show all downloaded, and there it is. So then you just click, I'll do it in the browser, just some people use it'll be in your downloads folder, and then you can come in here, and then you just click it, and then you just click this, and then the readme change log text, readme text, and then the actual exploit. So we'll just click the exploit, and we'll let it do its course. Then if you're on a Vista or 7 or 8, you'll get prompted with this stupid stuff. Then allow. And then in here it prompts, it tells you what device you have, what firmware, and that it's supported. Then just click the jailbreak to begin. So, with your phone still being connected, you will just, as you see, still click the jailbreak button, and then it gathers the information. And then that's all there is to the process. Then all you do is just leave your phone be. You don't gotta do anything with it, just let it be alone. Kinda get both the things in view here. And like it states, do not touch your device. So don't push the buttons or volumes or none of that stuff. Any pop-ups or any of that stuff, just leave them be. They're not gonna bother anything. Okay, now, as you see, it's prompting you to continue. Please unlock your device and tap the new jailbreak icon. Only tap it once. So you'll slide to take your device and you'll unlock it. Then you'll notice the new jailbreak icon right there with like a backwards, like an E with an arrow in it. You just tap it once, then it closes, then it'll run. And that's the only time you have to touch it for now. Now, your device will be rebooting. It may restart a few times as it completes the process. So just let it do its thing. There it is. Now, the rest of the stuff, you'll just do on your phone itself. So you can go ahead and exit out of this, close out the pop-up windows, We'll exit this and close. We'll just go ahead and close these while we're at it here because we don't need them no more. Then as in your messages, there'll be a backup description and a message with everything you need to do. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and we'll disconnect your PC. And then now you'll slide to unlock. Then as you notice, now you have a Cydia icon. So you open it, and it'll close when it completes. Now it'll reboot or respring. Alright. Unlock. Open Cydia again. Now when it prompts you for who you are, you'll want to select Developer, then tap Done. You need to do that in order for my repo and my packages to work properly. Now everything's done. Now you'll want to tap Manage in the lower right on an iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. Then select Sources. Then this one that says Dev Team, you can remove it if you like, just by doing Edit. Then tap the little button on the side, then hit Delete. That one is only needed if you have like older devices. And then you'll select Add. And then you'll type in my repo exactly like it's shown. Capital N, S, capital B, M, 0, D. I don't know if you can see that. And then put dot my repo space .com, and then you want to add the slash. Then you'll hit add source. Now return to Cydia. Now you have my repo on your phone. Now you come into my repo, scroll down to the ends, or tap it, select NSB Mods Icon Pack. You'll want to install this first. It's very important. Click the install, then the confirm, let it inject, then be prompted to return to Cydia. Now tap back to my repo, scroll all the way to the top, then you'll see a package of sources, iOS6. You want to tap that, and then hit the install. This will take a while because it's a pretty big file, as you can see, 832 byte. Let it run its course. Then after this gets done, you should have 4 or 5 changes, I can't remember. And it says return to Cydia. And then as you notice, yeah, it's 5. So you just click the changes down on the bottom, then you'll hit the upgrade 5. then confirm. Then return. Boom. Now you can go through and hit the refresh. And you can come to manage. Tap back, and your sources, and then boom. Now you got a bunch of sources. And this is for older devices that do not have Siri. You can port Siri right on there. And you can have Siri working on an iPhone 4 or 3G or whatever. Now to show you what it does, kind of. Come into here, you'll see, like, right here on the very first page featured. We'll do a barrel. It's a 16.4-1. And they want $3 for this crazy thing. So you can come into manage. You can select my repo. You can scroll to barrel. Same firmware. Or version 1.6.4-1. And it does the same thing. Click install. Confirm. Just to give you an idea. Then it'll prompt you to restart Springboard. Sometimes it'll prompt to reboot or whatever. Then you just tap it, let it reboot or respring. Now you go through. Boom! Look at that, huh? You'll notice you have an icon that says barrel. And here you can change it to do whatever you want it to do. So now your stuff will zoom in and out.